Hi friends, welcome to Blend Discovery channel. This is Blend. What I do in this channel is to provide you some helpful information. There are two smartwatches on my hand, the DT8 Ultra smartwatch and the W68 Ultra smartwatch. This video will show the difference between these two smartwatches. You can make a choice if you watch this video to the end. Let's go. Many friends have asked me which smartwatch is the best between these two smartwatches. But it's difficult to say which one is the best. Different people have the different favorite choice. But in this video, I would like to show all the difference before the audience. So before we go to the next step, we take out the two smartwatches from the box. The green box is the Smochm DT8 smartwatch. The watch on the left side is the Smochm W68 Ultra smartwatch. The watch on the right side is the DT8 Ultra smartwatch. Both these two smartwatches have the same size, 49mm, and also the screen is the same. Both use the IPS. Both of them have the same size display. Also have 3 buttons, 2 on the right side and 1 on the left side. An obvious difference is that there are 2 small holes on the W68 Ultra smartwatch. And the two ends of the watch, there are 2 small holes. Now let's go to the back of the watch. There are 2 obvious differences on these 2 smartwatches. The first difference is the metal point on the back. Then second difference is the 2 band lock. Now let's go to the left side. Both of these 2 smartwatches on the left side are the same. 1 button, orange button, and the speaker hole. Now the appearance comparing is finished. Let's go to power on the watch. Push these 2 long buttons. But it's obvious that the DT8 Ultra uses the long button to power the watch. These 2 long buttons are very smooth. It's very easy to low down and low up. And the pushing function is different. The pushing function on these 2 smartwatches is different. Pushing the long button. Then the long button is also different function. Then let's go to the line, the left button. The left button is also different in function. Now let's go to the control panel, the DT8 Ultra smartwatch. Flip up, flip down, and flip right. Flip up. Now the W68 Ultra. Flip left, flip right. Flip down. Flip up. The finger posture is different on these two smartwatches. The finger posture is different on these two smartwatches. The way go to the main menu are also different. Now let's go to comparing the heart rate test function on these two smartwatches. Now we will load the heart rate application on both of the two smartwatches. The W68 Ultra smartwatch. The heart rate is untested. Both of the D2 smartwatch has the reply function if you don't weigh the smartwatch correctly. But the DT8 Ultra function is better. Now let's go to the password protection of these two smartwatches. Both of these two smartwatches have the password protect function. Then we'll compare the sports style. The DT8 Ultra supports more than 10 sports styles. And the W68 Ultra is also support more than 10 sports styles. So no big difference on these two smartwatches. How many languages can we use on these two smartwatches? Both these two smartwatches do support a lot of languages. There are no much difference on language support. Now let's go to the temperature function. Load the temperature test on both these two smartwatches. I have a cup of hot water to put on the desk. Then we put these two smartwatches over the hot water. Let's see what happens. The temperature on the DT8 Ultra smartwatch is changed fast. Now it's 40 degrees. It's obvious that this temperature function is better. The final part is the waterproof function. I put the W68 Ultra into the hot water and then take it out. Also the DT8 Ultra into the hot water and then take it out. It's no difference on this function.